Omeyi sebeyo, omeyi serinyeyo.
Possible citizen, building your community.
Amanfo bra no chere. Omeyi seriyeyo, omeyi serinyeyo. Omeyi sebeyo, omeyi senyeyo. Amanfo bra ene be chere. Yani aya sasinie. Eya bo denden ademaye. Moje bia ye nananom hwiegu ye. And one was saying, yeah, and one with the two ademaye. So my Ghana be yo. So my yo. Abusiafo ayo me minu mienu ye chefa. One question per nana per me do bisa. Can we develop Ghana? Ghana ebetimi ayeye. Sa Ghana be yo. Sa Ghana nye yo. Examinu mienu so. Another pay, Mr. President, may I address you? Adiaba kupe, anene me pesa me twin President Nana Addo Akuffo na dwen esiso. Ya wo maya I take president almost 1 year, and ya dia elected MMDCs. Ya wo maya I take president almost the first year of the office. I will bet me any pesua and answer nipa ombedi nanim our various assemblies. Now at long last they have been established and confirmed.
I ask you to be
Ekase DCs you womo the various assembly members and so Ababa confirm womo. And some will take about 3 months, a bit will take it 2 months.
I ask you to be citizen.
Mr. President, me worry and I don't pay a greater Kumasi. Why is somewhere pine as KMB mayor? Kwada so you maintain the MC. As you maintain the MC. Ofori Chrome, you change the MC. And of course, Swami. What bring yania a young, very vibrant Maxwell, and I would naba. The next 3 years, and I bet me a do my Ghana so. Now one another Akuffo who as a president, as a human being, who now the Ghana for a party way, you become a statesman, a former president, no matter what it is. Ghana, who we are nana, where we. Afewu kotra fie wi a de Ghana for be bisa wo legacy and as a legacy a waja no ho a wo de ko as a president.
I ask you to be citizen.
Mr. President, I have a message for you. Greater Kumasi, no doubt, and whatever it is, the MPP government over 1.7 million votes at every given time, and in fact just under the election causeway, the MPP enya over 1.7 million.
I ask you to
be the decider region for every political fortune ever my Ghana.
I ask
Swami Asokwa Kwada so Ofori Chrome Kumasi Metropolitan Assembly 5 assemblies Tafu Pankrono 6 making greater Kumasi. The question another pay ye bisane say what legacy will Nana Addo Akuffo through the assemblies ebetimi eja ewo Kumasi Abonte at the end of the year 2024. You see we are say anemia ewo nenkaye Kojobo Nsunya John Dramani Mahama NDC abai enye ya bo Kojobo Nsu wo de Kojobo diska ya jitum Kojoba be diska ya jitum.
I ask you to
ya can say Kojoja ya Rete Park. Kojoja ya Prempa Assembly Hall redevelopment at least MPP won't buy a mbotwaso. Kojo etimi boy eja Central Market first phase kejetia. Ama mabotwaso ne chempo no Asem. Kojo at least the various market project aswanse tafo ni nyina kwadwanya NDC da yebetimi akase they left it for the people of Kumasi.
I ask you to be citizen.
Omampani da Akuffo ebaye na baya breso enya omampani da Akuffo jaye asafu interchange ni edi bodua omampani da Akuffo emaye metro mass Kumasi branch kese officer yedi hu nkomo omampani da Akuffo oh at least wo betimi wo bibi adekire KMA mayor Tafo MC kwada so ma hu se mosi very nice edifice eye assembly no edan Tafofo so mosi mu de askwan so mosi mu de eye efe omoba 2 years ni nti so obi ka say ntimi nya possible ask say just the last 2 years ebinuma timi ya de si assembly office tie muntie ni yo last 2 years just about 3 years ni through the same Addo Akuffo administration assembly say buy no omatimi asi office complex into nobody should ask me and tell me say na 3-4 years ni dia no betimi aye ya hu say kwada so aye bi omonye ye kura no ye betimi akase Addo Akuffo obaye no kwada so assembly omutimi si office.
I ask you to be citizen.
KMA yet kreimu na presiding member be ka kire ye say eka assembly ne de no say the next 10 years common fund ya kasi ya ditua kra ye ntimi ntua wie ya te kromo no auditor general report abeto dwa say na not way every a year internal revenue scale baba okame no ya the year recurrent expenditure na common fund so aba no ya de akwa kotua a year judgment debt osasi be ko osai uko okodio wo de okọ na ka wunuanom so osai ye bie wasanya bie nya ne ho asem na na me ba beka but osai ye ukọ esira kosa na Addo Akuffo do na emfie miensa aka na wawie. I am not looking at the central government project, the various assemblies. KMA assembly members said they will not approve Sampan. I just say a canon ye 1 year ni common fund kura nyamai and it is a common fund ni bom bese ya pam ya bati ni nyina ni ya de akwa kotua eka eda ho. Let me listen to Stephen Ofori, the presiding member at the KMA, just for the points of emphasis. Nana T.S. Stephen Ofori, our presiding member of KMA, asamo betra me video no what akonya we so ya nana baby am nsachire na me hwe no so we me and what can Asem we.
Now the assign getting inflated the last letter finance minister actually say we should take steps to use our common fund to pay the rest of the money.
We
the current finance minister
and the so moon take steps.
We should take steps to use our common fund to pay for the rest of the money. So
you don't mean it. That is the government now.
Government
the common fund into
exactly. Let them know how. If you want, you can take a side of it. You know, I say, say yes, I was it's the central government and which are Temanenka or refuse the decision.
Okay.
With the section of KMA.
There's some more money.
Etiabuna accumulates and a canon and many KMA.
The only media dance say Kumasi people own development because you see cannot get the jack.
Yeah, that is my worry. I need to name. Publication.
That is my worry. Why a presiding member at the KMA. What meeting say Kofi young who development be Kumasi because yesika yenyano ya dituaka. Nana Addo Akuffo. The question is, it take 2.5 years. Project Ananka a year 36 months. I take it 33 months. And San ya dia clear before e dia free ho. Project aye 36 W atebo montiase 36 months year duration project no. I take it 33 months and San ya timi dia clear before e dia free ho. the next 2 years aka ansa na 2024 assurance nene say ye betimi asi kejetia central market. Mr. President, say wa moa wo anamusifo awayi wo mo sampan ne wo mo ye ne niam awodo atwa so mo ye na ye ntimi ensi market no anwia. Oh, one day Ghana for baby say Nana Addo Danko Akuffo Addo, the president of the republic, what did he do for Kumasi? A car what came as at 31st December 2016 near 1.9 billion new cities. As we speak, Assembly and so echo almost say central government and so on. There is only one thing. And Bisa. What is the commitment of the president? Nana Addo Danko Akuffo Addo, your administration, what is the commitment? Sampai Aba, Ofosu, Maxwell Ofosu, Boache, Aba, Inusa, Lansa, Babatafo, Akwanyasada Swaho. Who were party members? And now you hear party members, Akasa say, a family nyo. Otumfo kachireo. Said the Ghana for here near Juma. Mahama buy omo kachire no. Or TV3. Say the common brother to abeti anwo. Ya the abufuo and the common brother to abale pamon. Won so abei. One more na one pe bibi amagana for a common brother and the ebe to abadi etiawo.
I ask you to be
Mr. President, obian to aba Emma Sampan. Mr. President, Obian Twaba, Emfama was SB. Mr. President, Obian Twaba, Emfama any MC or a DC.
I ask you to be
Ghana for Twaba Nana Addo Danko Akuffo Addo.
I ask you
And when you be address a war, Kumase, Ehiam, a 24 I would dream Mahama Bae Nanoda or Ban the talk. He was able to sit on radio station comfortably enumerating the project ewo Kumasi. You be a microphone man and Addo Danko Akuffo Addo. Say Nane, tell us MCs, DCs, Addo Messi Akwemu. Obianka say we bio. But to whom much is given, much is expected.
I ask you to be set.
Otumfo kachireo. I was shortcut and I say Bra, yeah, Kati Central Market, the second phase. 2.5 years ago, Asem way and wahine kaye. So Monshe, na ya mejano ya ntwem ya ma ya shortcut and the antenna ho ama be sinde. Yenti o te kokoso.
Nyuma pa ni pa wa ishama Kumasi ni Asante man na no nu se ya ba betie no. Tumfo so no ade ensem ketewa mienu bi and Obeta will be an Ojama Mampini on your baby.
87.9.
Oh, 2 city or the Ghana Mampini
87.9. FM.
When you saw Ababida Tosun saw the Asadaka say Magana Mampini, Nagana Funina say, Yumi, a different Fefe, AKT market. Insuara, nearly as I bet was Ako. A fantasy central market Facebook.
Akuma 87.9.
Tum force and Kamagana Mampanitis, yes, no, yet to honor. A man for say, oh, a best Kakoko bin a show and
87.9.
Mr. President, where the day are not shortcut and Akoso 2019, it was May.
I ask you to be citizen.
And you sat down, picture that way, Baluchi. Thank you. I saw the picture. Tell me, I know what to go. Any Mr. President, Akonya way, any and Toma way. Tell me, I'm what to win in here. I tell you for Facebook page. No, Kaguna sum. Tell Nana, when Quadia, Nana, when Quadia do something for me before you die. Sampai
FM.
Maxwell. The greater Kumasi needs development. Kofi, I said you have not been grateful. President Baye, Massa, Tobuase. na de aduro na to ani bre ato ado afampe to bre me enya agudie biabiem mama ba yenti no tie just listen to John Mahama na no da obae on radio station
Niama Asante Mantem eye
Akoma
Asante Mantem
87.9
and you say this is the center of commerce na nipa free Ivory Coast ebetonyo ma wa ha nipa free Mali Burkina Faso Niger eba Asante Mantem ebetonyo ma wa ha edeko enti se Asante Mantem is the center of commerce ewo Ghana ha ene ewo se yesiesie dwa no se na be ya se edwadifo efri abontempo no mo ba na se omu fi esrem ana bebi on beba beto ade bia on be hu se ampa Ashanti is the center of commerce enti kejetia phase 1 ekope sika na yebeye ene na mencha de yewie nipa ewo mu is tonade phase 2 ya pesika no eto ho na yefi aban mu na aban foforo abefa omampanyi Akuffo do wako okotwa sword ho se omobeye enti yewo dide se phase 2 no ombeto aso na omaye but apart from that I was say unya friend the satellite markets because I knew bia no also about the main markets also unya markets ewo miamia se na be a ebia so bi bi kakra bi obetumi akofo akoto na yama traffic ama central markets dodo enti ese ne markets e wa around no yensiesie enti
Akoma FM
wase esi ho
Akoma 87.9
Atonsu markets ye Tafo market so ye ebi nso wo ho a menkai but markets ndi ye bebre wa Asante Mantem
onyido waye bia kra bedu ba bia won kan ne waye mpo Mr. President me kaisa ahead of the election nane Uba Kumase ebeye shortcutting adema railway line ewo Obuase ya kire ya tonso chie ya nane we are shortcutting ewo eya Buankra no too for hobby ye kayo so Mr. President empower your people the various MMDCs assemblies are where you are to do better to baby they even ask themselves say what is going on Swami Mazi nana me kai so be bon toa ahead of the 2016 election oh Swami Mazi nana wo she boss obaye ho industrial hub MC ababo bia na ntimi anya Maxwell let him do something Kumasi is looking up to Nana Adodanko Akuffo nana Kumasi for bisao sir ahead of the election campaign you saw many things and you remember na who here yes the two baby no are you still seeing them
I ask you to be citizen.
Are we still seeing them? Do you get them? Do you appreciate them? Sir, of course 1.7 million no are they getting a corresponding development Sampaya party secretary Ubia Ekase he will do a good job we here will support now we here and say common fund I did judgment debt yentimi fanya development support we here and say IGF I did recurrent expenditure Mr. President empower them to deliver Kumasi for shadi Musa at the end of 2024 there is only one question per and will be a baby sir. So what did MPP show? Me mama in Sasso. So 2024 do na Ghana for born to BM MPP for born to Abakumasia. Would they be able to reckon? Say a 24 cry timu yet 12 the free central market. Yen timi nya baby moment na techem e de be kwakota. Mr. President, wuti we nyina. Kumasi ma bi so. Sent the next 3 years. Atechani mo no mba betna. Call your people, tell them, Mr. President. The former chante, womu tiem, womu su, womu bisase. Many things. At least they need a human treatment. Yenti tu omo kakra se, womu so nanado dan kwa Akuffo wombani bia no pro didia, onwamu su didi. Mama ni nyansa. Na baba so Kumasi dia sa omo kasa kwa ye kasa ebejo ehurihuri ebejo traders no appeal to you na minti o masem
yani ani eto abai ma wo ejaman no yani ani eto ma wo ensukurase anu se ye ka sawa mwaye wadule ramadana enye we ni ebe powerchi se bi ase ya bentino ye nto ma ye powerchi wadawo manana yesu a wona yesu ye ni edu ani mutana na wadawo ma by four ajefo entosi
I ask you to be citizen.
manana shaya ni mo na wa chi shaya edwaya ni ewo mu yekun majumanya ekunafo enyanka yenia ni edidi mo bidie to adawo ma waya na maye baby e mai school kom ya didie ya ni school no dia wa fa bi na so no wo mo kwa wo mo didie kan sa adawo ma da problem ya tawachi la bibia ba ba dia ya ba adawo ma eni dia na permission
Nana, what a man. I am not repeating what they said, but I almost say, man, for say, wait, job. A man say, Nina Chimpono, or what a swallow. Ah, what an emotional statement. Nana, at least let your people respect Addo. Say, your project cashier near 2 money at Wamaka Consume.
I ask you to be citizen.
The people, the political party, your basket. What's the sound near Ephraim?
I ask you to be citizen.
And dear Mr. President, yeah, can't you when they say Kumasi need you more than last 4 years.
I ask
The next 3 years, okay. Empower your MCs, your DCs, your mayors. Not check on them. Nani omu here say Sampine Akwaniasa Maxwell Inusa will be able to be the developer Kumasi no aye krabehwe.
I ask you to be citizen.
The clock is ticking. You need 4 years biem. Se si aniaka ya 3 years. Hweye na nya. So 4 years so na uba Kumasi. Na uba Asante mantemu. Na buankra utwam no antimi amfo ani anhwe ho na kajetia central market utwam no antimi amfo ani anhwe ho na railway line eda eya tonsu oboase utwam no antimi amfo ani anhwe ho na swami interchange wantimi amfo ani anhwe ho.
I ask you to be citizen.
Na abuakwa tanoso akropon esanse ekwan wantimi amfo ani anhwe ho a Kumasi baby say what was the need? See, I can say MPP, Asante region. Now, Asante region, MPP. Mr. President,
I ask you to be citizen.
3 years. And the president. This is the opportunity. You saw it and you are experiencing it. Ghana for say, until you do any of these things, Mr. President, Ghana Kuma, we are done.
I ask you to be citizen. Citizen, not spectator.